Hi, welcome to Lalas World. Today we're going to be talking about how to record your PC screen for free. This can be good for gaming, for screencasting, for just anything that you want to show on your screen. Okay, first what you're going to do is go to Google and type in Open Broadcaster Software. After you get that, you are going to go to the first one that you see. And it also shows for Windows 7, 8, or 10, Mac, and Linux, but I'm using Windows, so I'm going to click that Windows option. And once you click it, the download screen will come up, as you see over there in the bottom corner. And basically, you just let it download. Okay, and once that screen pops up, you just click next. Okay, right here it says I'm missing the DirectX component, so I'm just going to go ahead and download that since that's a component that I need to run this program. And some of you may already have it and may not need to do this step, but if it does pop up, go ahead and download that because you will need it to run the program to do your screen recording. And then once you go ahead and download that, hit accept the terms, agreement, next, and it'll go ahead and install what you need. Okay, after that's done, go ahead and click finished and go back to your Open Broadcaster Software download area where you had that saved, and go ahead and re-download that. And once you click the next button, you'll see the I agree screen because it now has the component that it needs to go ahead and install. So you basically let it install. Okay, click finish. And it's going to go ahead and open. This is the main screen area. And once you get it open, the first thing that you're going to want to do is go to your settings, because this program has two options. You can do live broadcasting or you can do screen recording. That's really cool about this program. So once it opens, again, go to settings and click broadcast settings, and instead of live stream you're going to click file output, unless you want to do live stream, but for this demonstration we're going to do file output. And in that section where it says file path, go ahead and click browse and choose the area that you want your files to be saved to. Me, I have a specific folder that I just like my files to go to, so I'm going to go ahead and click it there, and I'm going to save that, and that way as soon as my downloads are done for my screen, they will pretty much go to the folder that I select. And just pretty much, they do have a lot of settings in here that you can kind of play around with and change to your needs. As you can see, I'm just kind of clicking each one so you can get a basic idea of what you've got. I mean, there's so many options for you in this. Okay, let's go ahead and get out of this. So, in order to record your screen, you are going to, if you click start recording, as you can see, you need to actually pick a source. So, to do that, go ahead and right click, add, and monitor capture. And you can name it whatever you want for the purposes of this demonstration. I'm just going to go ahead and name it test. Okay, and make sure you've got all of the settings that you want. I'm pretty much going to leave it like it is and hit OK. And it's just letting me know that Aereo is enabled. So I'm going to go ahead and undo this because it could cause possible issues, is basically what it's saying. So I'm just going to go to settings again. It's video and disable Aereo and apply. And of course, if you guys have any questions, by all means, feel free to leave them down below and I will definitely respond to your questions. And once you hit that record button, you pretty much can see what it's recording. And as you can see, it's actually recording now. This is what it's recording. And stop that. But pretty much any screen that you go to, it will actually record for you. And I'm going to stop. And pretty much when you stop, it will go to the folder that you specified when you did that file output. So I'm just going to go ahead and go find my document. And there you can see that is the recording that I just did. Now if you don't want that middle screen, you could just kind of minimize that. But as you can see, it pretty much recorded all over the screen, and this is the Windows Media Player playing the recording that I did. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, definitely leave them below and subscribe. Make sure you get more great videos and content like this. Thanks. Have a good day. Bye.